Here it is, just wrapped up my train horn installation. You can see the compressor and tank is mounted right here in the front, in front of the transcooler and radiator. Actually just drilled a couple holes in the cross frame here, put some bolts with lock washers on there, ran all the wiring all the way up down into the battery through the firewall. And the train horns themselves, had to mount them to the frame underneath the front bumper. And you can see, just drilled some holes through the frame, clear to the other side, 3.5-inch bolts with lock washers and a few nuts. And there they are. Now it's time for a little test ride. See you in a minute.